Hello viewers, in this video I am going to share Canadian GDP numbers for the third quarter of 2020. Let's begin. Real GDP growth for the third quarter came in at a record 8.9% against negative 11.3% in the previous quarter. By the way, these figures are not annualized. This most recent quarter's figure reflects reopening of the economy. It should be noted that the real GDP change figures for this quarter and the last have never been seen before since 1961. The third quarter real GDP growth is a staggering 40.5% when annualized. A look at the nominal GDP chart will show you that despite reopening of the economy, the Canadian economy has yet to catch up to its former self. The highest reported nominal GDP was $2.34 trillion for fourth quarter 2019, and the figure for the latest quarter is $2.24 trillion. A look at the output gap chart reflects the recent surge in actual GDP relative to potential GDP. It can be observed that the Canadian economic output has yet to reach potential GDP. Now let's break down GDP and see how its components impacted the aggregate value in the third quarter. Canada is a consumer-led economy, as evident by the 56.2% contribution of household final consumption expenditure to GDP. Government spending is the second largest contributor, which, coupled with general government gross fixed capital formation, formed more than 25% of GDP. Therefore, consumer consumption patterns were the primary reason for an annualized real GDP growth of negative 38.7% and positive 40.5% for second and third quarters, respectively. Household final consumption expenditure contributed 32.3% to the overall percentage change in real GDP for the third quarter, relative to 24.7% for the prior quarter. And that's all for today's video. If you have suggestions regarding how future videos on this topic can be improved, or you want to provide constructive criticism, or maybe you just want to show your appreciation, then please leave a comment. Also, you can tell us how you feel by liking this video. Thanks for watching. Until next time.